asking you your first name first. Okay, so what's your first name? Your real name?
My name is
Yeah.
Caitlin Smith.
Caitlin Smith. Okay. And where do you live in Bali?
I live in Echo Beach.
Aqua Beach.
Yeah.
How long do you live in Bali?
2 years.
2 years. Oh, that's pretty long here. I'm gonna ask you the first question.
Okay.
Amel gonna ask the question.
Okay.
My name is Amel.
No.
What did you like most after living in Bali?
What did I like most about here? A lot of things. I love it here. I love living next to the beach, and the people are friendly, and it's a lot of heart here, and it's just a pleasant place to. I like to work here. I like my school. There's a lot of things. I couldn't pick just one.
Okay. Next question. What attracts you to Bali and other island?
I was offered a job here.
Oh,
So,
what job?
teaching music.
Teaching music.
Yeah, at Tunggu Community School.
Is it really promising?
Yeah,
Oh.
it's lovely.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a good school.
So you really enjoy it.
I love it.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. I'm gonna ask.
Can I know, is it your first time went to Bali?
Yes, when I moved here, yes, it's my first time. Yeah, I'd never been here before.
Okay. Now I'm gonna ask you another question.
Okay.
Can I know, is it your first time? Do you have a culture shock in Bali at first time coming to Bali?
Not culture shock, but it's different living here. There's a lot of things that I'm not used to in America.
Okay.
But yeah, but not culture shock, but just different.
Do you like more Indonesia, Bali culture or American culture? I mean, in particular way.
Oh, Bali culture.
Bali culture.
I love it so much more than America.
Next question. I'm not gonna ask.
Where is your favorite place in Bali?
Here, the beach. I like the beach. I like this one because it's close to my house, and then I like Nusa Lembagan. It's nice, and it's There's a lot of places I love in Bali. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Yeah, you're
Really
welcome.
appreciate your time.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay.